In this video we show you how to get Hampton Bay replacement parts and repairs done, particularly for your Hampton Bay ceiling fan. Please subscribe and check out our other videos where we show you other options and how to get replacement parts and repairs done for your Hampton Bay items. In this video we're going to call a company called eceilingfans. So let's do it.
This is Mike. How may I help you?
Yeah, hi, is this eceilingfans?
Yes,
I'm just wondering, do you do replacement parts for Hampton Bay ceiling fans?
Well, a lot of them, yes. What part are you looking for?
Just Hampton Bay Reddington 4 blade.
Well, what part? What part are you needing?
The blade.
Blades?
Blades, yeah.
No, I don't have the blades.
Oh, right.
Right now.
I tell you what we're doing is, I have a lot of customers. I have a website and a lot of customers, and they're oftentimes looking for parts, and it's very hard to find different parts for Hampton Bay. They try the Home Depot, but they don't always have them. So you guys were one that was recommended. So I'm just giving you a call just to see if I could find out what sort of things you do for the Hampton Bay.
Mainly what we do is we carry the parts that break, like remote control, receivers, blade arms. We carry blades. We normally would have that blade, but we're out of it right now. And our next container won't be here for about 4 months.
Oh, okay.
But the main thing, like full chain switches, but mainly the stuff that makes it go: capacitors, full chains, remote controls, receivers, things like that. Normally,
right.
Wheels.
What about the glass? The glass on
we carry just a small amount of glass, not a whole lot of glass.
Okay, but you could.
We have some of them.
Yeah. But you could get glass in if it's needed. You can.
Well, it's shown on our site. We have it generic of all different sizes. It's on our site.
Right. Yeah. Oh, great. And just one further question: will you do repairs as well too? If there's a ceiling fan that.
When we do what? I'm sorry.
Repair work. So if it's like a motor's not.
Yes, we do. We repair. Sure, we repair.
Oh, great. Yep. Well, I'll pass that on then. I've got your details. I think I've got your website and your phone number, and it's good to know that you're contacted.
Well, the only thing is, we do only in the United States. In the United States, so that would be the only.
Yep. Most of my audience is the United States, so yep, that won't be a problem. Okay. What was your name, by the way? Yeah. I'm Juan, and you're Mike.
All right.
Oh, great. Nice to meet you, Mike. Thank you for your help, Mike.
All right.
Great.
Same here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, Mike. You take care. Yep. Bye. So that's ceiling fans. They do, as you saw there, they do a lot of parts, remote controls, pull change, even the glass component. If you've got a ceiling fan with a glass component, they'll do that. And also, you'll notice too that they also do repairs. So Mike's the guy there. He seems like a nice guy. So if you've got a ceiling fan, Hampton Bay ceiling fan, you need a part, you need a replacement, I encourage you. Number one stop would be eceilingfans. Check our website. Also check the other reviews. Check on our channel there. We've got a number of reviews. We do a review on 5 different ways to get a Hampton Bay replacement. That was one of them that you've just heard, but there's another 4 other ways. So please check out the other videos. You'll find other ways to get your Hampton Bay item. If it's not a ceiling fan, then another item. Please subscribe, let others know so they can also use the video, and there's a lot of people out there that need replacements and repairs. So yep, subscribe and let others know. Thanks.